Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at comparing two different formulas in TCM Weaver. So let's say we want to take a look at Guager Tang. I'm just going to type it in and go find my results, and there I have Guager Tang. I've got some information on the ingredients and the instructions, how to make the formula, the actions, the indications, these kinds of things. I've got it all right there. And now let's say I wanted to compare this to Huang Tang. So for example, maybe I want to see what ingredients they have in common. I can grab Huang Tang, I can add it to my little workspace, and I can start to look and read the text and start to see the similarities and the differences. Now what gets really cool here with the Weaver is we've got this non-linear web of a database. So I can go to my graph view and we'll see that we have Huang Tang and Guager Tang in my workspace. And all I'm going to do is wander through these, which is going to expand these nodes, and it's going to show like all the relevant data around each formula. So I'm just going to do this. It's going to look messy for a second, but just bear with me because this is the chaos that we hold in our minds, right? This is all the information that we've learned about these different things. So it looks like a big tangled web. What I'm going to do is just filter it down so I can see the relevant information. So what I'm looking for are the herb ingredients for this one. So we have right here. And now I've got it down to, it's only showing me the herbs from the formulas, and I can see what's in common and I can see what they have separate as well. So I can tell right now that Guager and Gansao are common between these two formulas, and we have some outliers, right? Ma Huang is not in Guager Tang. Xingren is not in Guager Tang, and likewise Xiaoyao, Dacao, Shengjian. So we can see the ingredients there, and we can also start to kind of arrange our artboard here, our workspace, if we need to move things around and kind of cluster stuff. Maybe I'm thinking about putting together a custom formula, and maybe I want to take some ideas from one formula and some ideas from another formula, and I can say, oh yeah, I really like the Xingren and the Ma Huang, and we're going to add Xiaoyao to that, and we're going to add Shengjiang and Gansao, and we've kind of created this hybrid. Now I've got this like list going on. I can also get rid of these other nodes and clean up my workspace, but this would be a good way to start thinking about how to build custom formulas based on the pieces in other formulas.